guys, it's me Shritama and welcome back to my channel. And as you guys can see, I am back with a bang and with a very special guest on my channel, जो कि हमारे घर में भी 6 महीने बाद आई है. Okay, 6 महीने is a bit of a stretch, but yeah, you've seen the thumbnail, you've read the title of the video. I'm gonna do a very fun taste testing challenge with her. Now the challenge is
excited.
Yes. The challenge is basically we are going to be trying the new different chips ka flavors which is there out in the Indian market right now. You know me, I am a chips connoisseur and मतलब मुझे हर तरह के chips try करना and taste करना बहुत पसंद है. So let's start off with a little introduction ताकि समझ आए कि हमारा taste preference कैसा है regarding chips and all. So you can state your top 3 chips या top 2 जो भी तुम्हें पसंद है. So you go first.
Bro, obviously if I'm having chips it has to be spicy. Like
okay.
Obviously my taste palette is spicy. Anything that has chili in it, I am up for
it. So you have any like top 3 chips में कुछ है तुम्हारा?
Kurkure.
Which one?
Kurkure. I would say chili chatka.
Yeah.
Chili chatka, right? The dark green one. Yeah, that. And then I have blue lays, of course.
Of course.
And recently I had this booth chips.
Okay.
With that Nagin sauce, that is really spicy. I like it.
I thought you didn't have boot chips, so आज हमारे chips के lineup में we do have boot chips. For me, I think personally my favorite chips is like again as she said, like I have also very spicy taste preference, but I don't like chili chakka. I think that tastes like vomit. I know very.
I hate you.
Controversial opinion. I hate it. But my favorite.
But it is spicy, bro.
My favorite chips has to be Blue Lays, top tier, god tier.
That is there in my list.
Tere Mere, I freaking love Tere Mere. There's also there's this Bingo and Lay's का एक chips आता है, the wafer ones, which has like chili powder sprinkled on top. Wafer का sun dried chili something that light green color का package. I think they've discontinued it. And Bingo का भी red color
that's also spicy.
That is also like sprinkled with a little chili powder. Those are like one of my favorite chips. So I think काफी introduction हो गया. About today's challenge, we are going to be tasting those chips as I said already, and we are going to be rating them. कि हमारे preference wise उसका rating क्या होगा out of 10. And our parameter is mainly going to be smell, taste. So this intro is already very stretched out. Now without me blabbering much, let's actually dive into this video. Also guys, you can follow us on our Instagram. The handle will be right here on the screen. Also guys, 90% of you watching this channel unsubscribe to my channel. So what are you waiting for? Christmas? Go subscribe to my channel right now, and now without me blabbering much, let's actually dive into this taste test. Also, if we are looking homeless, don't mind. ये बहुत ही impromptu video idea था. हम लोग literally just chips खरीद के लाए and we're just gonna make a video. So starting off with an OG flavor, which is not a new flavor. It is our favorite Blue Lays, which I knew. इसमें कुछ नया नहीं है, but still we are gonna rate it. I would like to say, if you've had Blue Lays in the recent times, the flavor profile has degraded. मतलब जो पहले आता था
पहले ज़्यादा तीखा लगता था.
Not about the तीखा also. I feel like flavor इन लोगों ने change कर दिया, जिसकी वजह से it tastes.
First of all, what is this packet and why is this so small?
Because ये 5 रुपए का पैकेट है.
अभी भी इसमें हवा ही ज़्यादा है. This is the comfort chip. इसमें क्या ही है?
See, it tastes exactly what I mean. मतलब OG Blue Lays का जो flavor था ना, that is like missing. That they've changed. But nonetheless, it's like really good as a party snack.
इससे पेट मत भरो, चलो हम लोग अब actual challenge start करते हैं.
Love it. What would you rate this? 9 on 10 actually for me. Like, even though it's not like the OG
this is on my favorite list, it
हाँ.
has to be a 9 on 10 at least.
10 on 10 नहीं, क्योंकि there's always scope for improvement. Next chips we have is पुष्पा जी का picture बना हुआ है. It's called Smoking Hot Booth Chips from 2Yum. तुमने ये खाया पहले? खाया? I think मैंने भी एक बार शायद खाया था, but I don't exactly remember how it tastes.
But in fact, I'll tell you, we have it like every other day.
Oh, in your hostel
department.
Okay.
Yeah,
so
we love this.
I think I've had it. I can't exactly recall क्योंकि मैं बहुत ऐसे random chips with my friends मैं taste test करती रहती हूँ. So why don't you go ahead and open it? Okay.
Also, this is how I like to open.
Yeah. Also मैं सारे चिप्स के बड़े पैकेट नहीं ले पाई because I was pretty sure कि मतलब सारे ऐसे खत्म कैसे होंगे. Also more variety.
खा भी गई. I already know the taste of it.
As the name suggests, smoking hot तो ये नहीं है. इससे ज़्यादा spicy
नहीं, but एक smoky flavor है इसका. But it's not hot.
It's not very spicy. Rather you try sizzling hot from Lay's या फिर
the red one, the red and black one.
Yeah. कुरकुरे का भी आता है. I think there's a Dynamita from Doritos that is also like spicier compared to this. Flavor honestly.
Or maybe just that like spice tolerance is quite high. Could be.
एक बहुत familiar taste आ रहा है इसका. मतलब I can't pinpoint. I've had this flavor somewhere.
एक smoky flavor है इसका. That is true.
It's not not bad. मतलब yeah, I can binge on it. मैं खत्म कर सकती हूँ मैं इसको.
I can give it an 8.
I think I'll give it like a 7. Not bad. Like you guys can try.
It hits you later on.
No, the spice is not there.
It hits your throat later on.
मुझे really it has like a peppery aftertaste. I will say. उतना spicy नहीं है. But nice. I can try. And approved by Pushpa. अब बचपन में सभी ने क्रैक्स के रिंग्स तो खाए थे. This is something new which I saw.
Yeah, crunchy noodles. This sounds interesting. Let's see.
There was this picnic करके कुछ आता था ना. There एक chips I remember. I think this looks like that only. This is also a huge packet. This is like for 5 rupees and it's a huge packet है.
Oh,
बहुत है ना?
बहुत है.
Sure, it's
Unlike Lay's.
you all can see अंदर अगर दिख रहा है तो बहुत सारे chips है.
And it's actually like slimmer.
I think this is picnic only.
No, I've had similar
This is like
chips,
papad.
different shapes.
This is tasty. This is like papad. मतलब very light and मतलब chips जितना वो heavy greasy feel नहीं है इसका. I like it. मतलब you can have it like multiple at a time. बहुत
Similar taste के बहुत सारे chips हैं. It's
I
not
remember-
something new.
हमारे स्कूल के बाहर मिलता था गुपचुप and
Tofu
हाँ सब like different ऐसे बहुत
और
random.
different shapes में भी.
हाँ. This has that very papad वाला feel.
Maybe the name is something fancy. They have done crunchy noodles and all, but the taste is not new.
मुझे तो समझा. I think I'll give this like
It's an old taste.
I think I'll give this like an 8 on 10. It's really good.
No, not from the spice point of view.
No, I'm not judging it from the spice point of view. From the taste and the price and everything wise, I liked it.
Yeah, I'll give it a 7.
I think 8 it's nice. I'm like I can like my hands are going back again like
Quantity is really good.
Yeah.
This is also 5 rupees. Okay.
5 rupees like it's quite a lot. 5 rupees. Next along the line of tikha and sizzling hot stuff, I saw this flavor from Tere Mere. It's their extra tikha. Now as I was saying, pink Tere Mere, the OG one, it's my favorite. मतलब उसके साथ ना मेरे थोड़ा nostalgia.
This is really new. I haven't even seen the packet before.
ये मैंने एकदम नया देखा. So this was like
मैंने इसका green वाला देखा है recently. टेढ़े मेढ़े का green and orange. Like the pink
yeah,
one is
those
OG.
are old. Those are old. Yeah.
No, but मैंने ये black वाला देखा भी नहीं है. So this is actually new for me. टेढ़े मेढ़े का taste मुझे थोड़ा बहुत orange कुरकुरे जैसा लगता है.
No, absolutely not. They are very two different flavor profiles. How does it smell? Does it smell like puke?
It smells of tamarind.
It smells. मतलब थोड़ा सा I get it what you're saying. Like there's a sour smell to
Yes,
it, but not tamarind. Also, it has like थोड़ा सा chili powder का smell. ठीक.
It looks red though.
Yeah, it looks very red. Cheers. I don't like it very much. I mean, I'll go for a second bite just to analyze the taste.
It tastes also like tamarind.
इसमें स्पाइस है नहीं, ठीक है. I mean, it's not.
It tastes like something like if you add a lot of tamarind to oats.
No,
Tastes like that. That's what
I think it's a very dulled down version of chili chatka.
No.
So, yeah.
Or it could be even tomato powder.
Yeah, tomato is there.
Because it has a sour aftertaste. That is what I
मतलब
mean.
सार मतलब उतना भी ज़्यादा सार नहीं है, अजीब सा आफ्टर टेस्ट है. Like my perfect description is it's like a dulled down version of chili chatka. So
No, absolutely not.
that's because you like chili chatka.
That's because you don't like chili chatka. That's it.
It's decent. मतलब अगर कोई ये खा रहा है तो मैं तब जाकर उससे बोरो कर सकती हूँ. I won't buy it myself. Again, yeah. I think I'll rate this like a 6, 5.5, 6 on 10.
4.
इतना भी खराब.
हाँ, 4.
Actually, I'm the more lenient teacher.
I'm not. Oh, that looks very good.
Yeah, this ये जो मैं पहले देख रही थी दुकान में, I thought this was the कुरकुरे का हैदराबादी हंगामा, but actually this is their चिंग्स के साथ कोई शेजवान चटनी का collaboration types like sort.
नहीं कितना कुछ है नया. I don't even have an idea
you
about
don't
it.
eat chips. I chip.
नहीं मैं खाती हूँ but मेरा तो जानती है ना कि या कोई चीज है अब वो मुझे पसंद है तो
I like
I don't try out new
I
things,
don't
no.
like experimenting and मेरा chips का
Definitely.
horizon बहुत wide है because I am a chips connoisseur and
But I never knew that Kurkure is collaborating with cheese.
I think it's a collaboration because वरना cheese क्यों लिखा रहेगा पैकेट में?
Obviously.
Let's try it. It's the Szechuan chutney flavor again.
More
Spicy
Szechuan
pico,
chutney, so
spicy
hopefully this is
pico,
gonna be
and
spicy.
Yeah. Does it smell
ये
spicy?
cheese का जो Szechuan chutney, it's smelling exactly like that.
Oh my god, yeah.
Smells
It has like that
exactly
chili oil
like-
wala fragrance.
Exactly like the chutney only, the one
Yeah.
we usually, the Ching's one we have.
You can see this is what it looks like.
It tastes also like that.
Mm-hmm.
It is just the chutney coated on the
I
kurkure.
don't like it.
It is just the Szechuan chutney on the kurkure.
Exactly. Oh my god, उसका एक oil, शेजवान चटनी का जो oil वाला after taste
जो
होता है,
that is actually the tel kashtani thing which we say, right? It's that.
who approved of this? This is not good at all.
इनके कोलैबोरेशन के लिए मैं इनको 3 दे देती हूँ.
And I give this a 2. It's not good at all. Like, don't
पूरा
try
सॉस
this.
का ही टेस्ट.
Don't try this. This is literally मतलब normal flavorless कुरकुरे के ऊपर just चिंग्स का शेजवान सॉस डाल के इसे टॉस कर दिया. This is not good.
It's actually disappointment.
Okay, now as we all know, Lay's ने कुछ नए flavors introduce किए हैं. So I have all the 3 flavors with me, and the first flavor which we have is the Mediterranean pizza flavor. And मुझे आज तक, if you ask me, I cannot spell the word Mediterranean. मतलब मैं
Seriously?
Yeah, I can't write it down. Yeah, no, I don't
lie. Spell it out. Okay, I'm sorry I'm doing this, but yeah, come on. Today you will learn
ये
it.
बहुत traumatic.
I'll
word है
make
मेरा
sure
बचपन
you
से
will
भी.
learn it today.
Because class 3 में I remember I was called upon to the board to write the spelling of this Mediterranean Sea, and I just like fucked up
It's
real bad.
easy. Come on, spell it.
MEGI
Hmm.
Terranean
Hmm.
TE
Hmm.
R
Double R. Yes.
Terranean
E. No. A. R R A.
NEAN.
That's it.
See,
It's easy.
very easy.
Mediterranean.
I've had it. It has like an oregano का बहुत strong taste, but हाँ मतलब थोड़ा
Oh, you've tasted this?
Yeah, I've had this before बहुत दिन पहले. इसमें थोड़ा सा oregano का taste है बस. And what is this packaging? मतलब टोटल मतलब क्या
And
packaging
clearly you've
है?
disobeyed me again
Right?
by opening it like this.
या because ये ऐसे खुलता नहीं है. लेज है ये. Sorry. लो. See 10 रुपए के पैकेट में कितना मिलता है आपको? You all can see for yourself.
Oh,
This smells like
a
cheesy oregano.
cheesy pizza. Yeah.
Cheesy oregano type का एक smell है.
Smell है इसमें proper pizza वाला
Yeah.
smell है. Taste भी.
यहाँ सर oregano ये cheesy.
ये Domino's का chicken sausage pizza, if anyone has had, they'll totally get how this tastes.
It's not bad. Like you can try it. It has a.
It totally tastes like chicken sausage pizza from Domino's.
I'm not getting any chicken in this.
No, because उसमें भी नहीं होता है.
I'd rate this again like a 7.5.
मुझे भी लगता है कि मैं ये चिप्स कभी खरीद के तो नहीं खाऊंगी. अगर किसी के पास होगा मैं 1-2 ले लूंगी.
Like 7.5 on 10. You?
5.
इतना भी बुरा नहीं है. It's like
नहीं.
it tastes like pizza.
नहीं, अगर ये इतना भी अच्छा होता तो मैं खुद खरीद के खाती इसको, but I don't think I'll do that with this.
But it's fine, not bad.
But ठीक है, it's doable.
Okay, the next flavor which we have is the Korean chili flavor, and ये gochujang gochugaru बहुत famous है दुनिया में. So Lay's has also jumped onto the bandwagon and introduced their Korean Lay's का flavor. I'm assuming मुझे पता नहीं क्यों ये मुझे लग रहा है. I have not tasted.
पता नहीं कोरियन है तो स्पाइसी होना चाहिए.
नहीं, not for that. I have a feeling it's gonna taste like a little hot and sweet वैसा, sweet and spicy type का मुझे लग रहा है packaging देख के. Now I could be also very wrong about
मतलब वो
it.
जो रेड लेज है वो.
No, I think it can taste like the orange Lay's.
Okay, the orange one. Orange West Indies.
Yeah, I don't like
वो
the
मुझे पसंद
orange
है.
Lay's. No.
Yes, वो मुझे पसंद है.
No.
This is gonna be like chili lemon.
Really?
It smells like that. Kind of.
I love how we are sniffing it. No. Doesn't smell like chili lemon. Cheers.
Tastes like orange lace.
Orange Lay's
Orange
थोड़ा
lace
सा
but थोड़ा spicy. It is actually.
It has a aftertaste. धीरे.
This is good. I really like this.
Not bad, yeah. It's actually good. इसका aftertaste मतलब it has a kick to it. मतलब
इसको मैं 9 दूंगी.
really?
मैं बोली थी कोरियन है तो ये स्पाइसी होगा. मेरा स्टीरियोटाइप सही निकला.
It's actually nice. I'll give like a 8 on 10, 8.5. If you've had the Lay's का sizzling hot, उसका जो थोड़ा सा aftertaste आता है, it is like that. Like the kick is there, but it does not taste like that. ये orange Lay's on steroids. And finally, the last chips that we have is
Okay.
the Mexican salsa flavor. You can see packet पे Lay's Max का जैसा shape आता था, it looks somewhat like
Like that crinkle.
Yeah, the crinkle cut one,
Yeah.
right? So Mexican salsa again, I feel it will be थोड़ा सा spicy, maybe packed with flavor. I don't know. I'm guessing again. Let's see that कि the last chips to end on ये अच्छा idea था भी या नहीं.
Wait, I'll tell you what it smells like.
She has a really good nose. कुत्ते की नाक है उसकी.
I'll tell you, this smells like.
Can I smell it? please?
It smells like pudina sauce.
No.
पुदीना चटनी.
No.
पुदीना चटनी विद वो जो मोटे जो चिली होते हैं जिसके पकौड़े बनते हैं.
अच्छा नहीं.
It has that smell.
No, it has like a very spicy smell for some reason. Does it taste like that mota chili?
I told you it smells like that. It also smells like that and it tastes like that.
But it's not very flavorful.
ये वो जो मिर्ची का पकौड़ा होता है, it is that मिर्ची.
Out of the 3 days which I tried, I think the Korean one was the best.
Korean one.
Pookie packaging पे है, taste also really good. So I can try that one. Out of the 3 layers, अगर मुझे compare करना होता, first one would be the Korean one, second one is the pizza one, ये वाला third.
नहीं मैं इसको सेकंड में रखूंगी.
सही.
इसको मैं 6 दूंगी.
मैं भी I'll give it a 6 on 10. I think the layers were really good. सबसे घटिया जो मुझे लगा that was the Szechuan one.
Szechuan was disappointing.
Disappointing to say the least. कुरकुरे का Szechuan one. And booth chips is also nice, not bad. टेढ़े मेढ़े का भी मुझे वो उतना अच्छा नहीं लगा. Rather just go for the OG one. And out of everything, सबसे ज़्यादा if I had to recommend something, I think that would be the Korean.
The Korean Lays.
And obviously Blue Lays is OG.
Has to be. Yeah.
So that's my recommendation. That's I think yours too.
Yeah. Absolutely. The Korean one.
So guys, that's it for this video, and I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. And अगर आप लोग चाहते हो कि I bring more such fun challenges on my channel, do let me know in the comments. And you'll again get to see her maybe in the next 3 months or whenever she decides
I'm
to
not
show
sure
up.
actually.
Yeah, whenever she decides to show up. But yeah, that's it for this video. If you like this video, you know the drill. Like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I'll meet you in my next one, which is gonna be a super fun video. And yeah, till then guys, stay safe and be kind to yourself and others. Bye.
Bye.